In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and publish a simple web game with Lovable. We'll go from logging in to sharing a live link step by step, and I'll explain what's happening along the way so you always know what to expect. First, head to lovable.dev and log in. After you sign in, you'll land on the dashboard. This is your command center for new projects. Take a quick moment to ensure you're on the right workspace and ready to create. Click New Project. Some accounts may show Start a Project instead. You'll see an input box asking what you want to build. Type a clear, single-sentence description of your game idea. For example, build a small web game where you control a character that avoids obstacles and collects points. Keep it focused on the core mechanic. Mention the goal, the main action, and any simple rules. Short, specific prompts typically produce stronger first drafts. Press Enter or Submit to let Lovable do its thing. The platform will start generating the game structure and assemble a playable initial version. This usually takes a moment, and that's normal. Lovable is wiring up the logic and visuals behind the scenes. Think of this as your starting prototype rather than the final word. When the initial version appears, you'll see a preview right inside Lovable. Click anywhere in the game preview to play and test it. Spend a minute interacting with the game to get a feel for movement, scoring, and timing. If the pacing or behavior doesn't match your vision, try rephrasing your original description slightly and submit again. Small wording changes can guide the generator toward the style you want without starting from scratch. Once you're happy with how it feels, click Preview to open the game in a browser frame. This shows it in a more realistic environment, which helps you confirm that visuals, controls, and layout behave the way you expect outside the editor view. It's a great spot to sanity check polish, like whether elements line up properly and the experience feels smooth. When everything looks good, click Deploy or Publish to make your game live on a web URL. Lovable will create a shareable link you can open on any device and send to friends or teammates for quick feedback. Keep in mind that this link is public to anyone you share it with, so only share it with people you trust. You can return at any time, refine your idea, and publish updated versions to the same project. That's the complete flow. Log in, start a project, describe your idea, submit, test in the built-in preview, check the browser preview, and deploy to share. Follow these steps and you'll go from concept to a live, playable web game in minutes.